Hi, this is Rebecca with RebeccasRoadmap.com, and I just wanted to tell you about my book of the month for March, and it is Atomic Habits by James Clear. Now, I don't know about you guys, but working on my goals in the month of February was a struggle. You know, January is always good, right? But when you hit February, it becomes a struggle. And where I am finding myself struggling is with my daily habits. This is a relatively new book. It was written in 2018. And it says, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones. And the breaking of the bad ones is what I need to work on. I know what good habits I need to do. I know what things I need to do every day to reach my goals. And then I'll do something like pick up a book, and then 2 hours later, you know, I haven't done what I said I was going to do. So I'm thinking that this might help. I just read this little description here. I thought this was pretty good. It says, tiny changes, remarkable results. No matter your goals, Atomic Habits offers a proven framework for improving every day. James Clear, yada, 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 will teach you exactly how to form good habits, break bad ones, which is what I need to work on, and master the tiny behaviors that lead to remarkable results. If you're having trouble changing your habits, the problem isn't you. The problem is your system. I love systems. I don't know about you guys, but I love systems. It says bad habits repeat themselves again and again, not because you don't want to change, but because you have the wrong system for change. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. So I think that this is going to be an interesting read. Haven't started reading it yet. I'm going to purchase it today. This is just like a little sample on Kindle. But if you guys want to read along with me, just say yes down in the comments below. Let me know that you're reading. And I'll probably do a video later in the month when I've done reading the book and kind of let you know some takeaways from it. So I hope you guys want to play along. If you want to see more videos like this, give this one a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, because why not? And as always, I thank you for watching my videos. Have a good day. Bye.